Hey VanGang, welcome back to my channel. So it is my official birthday week, so I will be uploading every single day this week. If you haven't checked out my video yesterday, definitely go check that out. But today we are going to be reviewing this wig. As you can see, I have been doing a lot more wig reviews, and that is because that is what's in right now. Everybody is loving getting full lace wigs from companies as of right now because it is less maintenance, it's easier to deal with, and you know, you can customize it. So that's what a lot of people have been doing it, rather than purchasing hair, getting a wig made, or purchasing hair and making the wig yourself. So that's why we've been seeing a lot more wig reviews on my channel. Also, I want to give y'all options. I do so many hair reviews that I kind of just wanted to move to the side and start doing a few of these wig reviews, and I've actually been really enjoying it. It's very simple to me. Like, you know, I don't have to sit there making a wig for hours, customizing it, and then go like that. Is just so much. So I'm able to just watch the unit and put it on, and I've been really loving how low maintenance it has. Today's wig is provided by Wigs, and this is the packaging. You will also get a wig cap in nude. You'll also get instructions on how to care for your hair, lashes, mink at that. And this is what the hair looks like before I washed it. As you can see, the curls are popping. It is a lace frontal unit with sewed tracks in the back. It has 3 combs, adjustable straps, and the hairline is pre-plucked, so that takes out a lot of work. Okay, I absolutely loved how it came. Okay, so this hair today is from Wigs hair. This is another style that I've been really loving. Like, when I get curly hair or really wavy hair, I've been loving to do like just a flip over, just flip the shit over. It just looks so freaking effortless and so natural, in my opinion. I just love this look. Okay, so I am so happy to tell you that this unit, okay, all right, well, Wigs is having a sale this whole entire month of January, up to 60% off, and an extra, I think, 5% off. So that's really amazing. And this unit is so affordable, and they take PayPal, so that is freaking amazing. This unit is carried in the inches 8 through 22 inches, and this is 22 inches. I know it looks pretty short because I don't wear hair this short, but yeah, this is kind of like true 22 inches, especially if you, like, you know, pull it out. It's even longer. It's probably like around 24 inches when pulled out, but this is what 22 inches looks like because this is curly hair. You could get 150% density, 180% density, or 200% density, and you have 3 options for a cap size, which is small, medium, and large. I'm gonna give you the lowest option and tell you the price, and I'm gonna give you the highest option and give you the price because it is just amazing. So if you was gonna get your hands on this wig, I would definitely recommend to get it this month. Okay, so for the lowest option of paying for this unit, if you were to get an 8-inch unit like this made with 150% density, the price would run you about $68. Okay, and for the highest option, which would be 22 inches and 200% density, it would only run you $180. So I told you it was up to 60% off. So that means if it wasn't, it would probably be around $400, $500 or so for the highest prices. So if you wanted to get your hands on this unit, I would definitely recommend that you get it this month while they are having this amazing sale. Okay, so let's get into the specs of my unit. So this is the curly wave lace front wig, and I have it in 22 inches, and I have in 180% density. Okay, so it's not the fullest, so this is probably gonna run you about $170, which is not bad at all, and it only goes to 22 inches, so this is the longest unit you could get. I know a lot of you don't even wear long hair anyway. I am just like a length whore, so that's why I would have got, like, you know, 26 inches, 28 inches, but this looks absolutely amazing. And can I tell you how low maintenance this hair is? Like, I did a flip over method on another unit, and the reason why I would prefer this one over that one is because this one is less tangly. The other one, the curls were so tight that they were intertwining, they were tangling, and it was very, very annoying to deal with. And it gets frizzy, really, really frizzy throughout the day. But this one is more of like a wave curl, so it's not as tight and it's not tangling or interlocking or anything like that. So it looks really, really good, and I don't have to deal with looking crazy by the end of the day. So that's why I would prefer this one. I have done reviews for West Kiss in the past. I have I think I did a bob with their hair probably like a year and a half ago or 2 years, I'm not sure. So if you're someone who prefers, you know, bundles, they actually carry that as well, and I did like their hair. But I absolutely love this wig. This wig is A1. The hair is so soft. I could tell the quality was going to be good when I washed the unit and had to do my curly hair routine, because I had no issues whatsoever. The hair did not tangle at all, like not even a little bit. I was able to run that comb, I was able to run the brush through, my fingers through, no issues at all. I didn't have issues when trying to do baby hairs. They give you baby hairs. The hairline was very, very natural. I honestly did not do any plucking. I just went in and just did some swoop into the hairline to give me a few baby hairs, and I flipped the hair over, and that is it. It's very, very low maintenance. I would recommend you doing your curly hair routine every single night because this hair is soft. If you wanted to stay in for about 2 days, I would recommend putting product in it, but I have no product in this hair whatsoever. This is the hair in its natural state. So I think the hair is absolutely gorgeous. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're gonna get your hands on this unit. Let me know if you have this unit already. Let's chat in the comments. Check out West Kiss. I'm gonna have all the links down in the bottom bar, as well as I'm gonna have a whole bunch of coupon codes for y'all, because even though they already have a sale, I have some extra coupon codes for y'all, so y'all can save that coin, okay? So check out West Kiss. Again, check the bottom bar for all the information. Thank you so much for watching, and I will speak to you in my next video. Bye, y'all.